Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make the ultimate herbal tea recipe that's not just delicious, but it is loaded with health benefits, from boosting your immunity to calming your mind and improving digestion. In fact, this tea does it all. Let's get started. Let's brew some wellness together. First on our list is ginger, powdered ginger. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using all dried herbs. Dried herbs are a good alternative to the fresh ones. They are convenient and portable to carry about. They last longer. The flavors are just They still retain their nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So really, when you don't have access to fresh herbs, don't deprive yourself of that delicious cup of goodness. Go for the dried herbs. So next on our list is dried mint leaves. Dried mint leaves. Like I said, dried herbs are equally as nutritious. They are so very flavorful and very cost effective, very cheap and easy to carry about when you are a traveler like me. Check out my other channel, Julie Adventure Vlogs. This is powdered turmeric. Turmeric. It is a super food in its full right. And to even enhance its flavor, the next item is black pepper, dried black pepper. A combination of turmeric and black pepper does the body great good. And here we go. This is the first time I'm openly showcasing this star anise. Star anise, the flavor is to die for, I tell you. Then it is winter and it is very Christmassy at this time. So let's get some Christmas feel to eat with cinnamon. Yeah, dried cinnamon sticks. I told you this is the ultimate tea. Dry hibiscus for that popping red color. Look, a combination of all of these. It is the ultimate tea recipe to detox, calm, boost your immunity, and give you the flavor that will make you chill, relax, and enjoy the season. So yes, dried hibiscus flower, all washed. And of course, what tea is there without hot boiling water? I'm adding hot water to this pot of tea. You can also cook this tea in a pan, and I'll let it sit for 8 minutes. Don't click out yet, there's more to come, so keep on watching and like this video if you're finding it useful. Leave a comment and subscribe if you've not. And voila, this is the result. Look at that popping color. I tell you, make food your medicine. Make food your medicine. So 8 minutes later, I am ready to stir the pot of good health. And I also will be adding the last of our ingredients for today, and that will be none other than lime. Yeah. Now, you can choose to add extra sweetener, but I always like to keep it natural. So, and I love lime, lemon. They are my favorite thing to take this tea to another level of flavor. So you can imagine the combination there. I'll just remind you again. This tea has anti-inflammatory properties with a combination of turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. It aids digestive health with a combination of ginger, mint, and lime. An immunity booster with hibiscus, turmeric, and black pepper. It is rich in antioxidants with hibiscus, star anise, and all the other ingredients. It detoxifies with hibiscus and lime. It produces a calming effect with mint leaf, and ultimately the flavor of all of this, including star anise. Oh gosh, it is yum. Sip your way to health with this ultimate herbal tea that will change your life. No preservatives, no additives, just dried herbs, and one fresh herb to do you good. Make food your medicine. Make food your medicine.